We produce the complete range of machinery required for rice milling. We have a huge client base all over the world, with over 15,000 successful installations. Grain processing solutions. 1. Pre-cleaners from 6 to 50 tons per hour. 2. Grain silos. 3. Steam boilers. 4. Full automation multi-purpose parboiling and drying technology. 5. Complete range rice milling machinery from 2 to 20 tons per hour. 6. Seed processing. 7. Pulse processing. Full automation multi-purpose parboiling and drying technology. We produce the complete range of machinery required for rice milling. We have a huge client base all over the world, with over 15,000 successful installations. The process of parboiling and drying is carried out in 4 main steps. 1. Pre-steaming. 2. Soaking. 3. Final steaming. 4. Drying. Rice milling machines are designed to provide higher yield and profitability for the rice millers. Our innovative rice processing solutions minimize the in-process wastage, manpower requirement, and maintain hygienic standards in food processing. We design, manufacture, and supply end-to-end rice milling solutions, including cleaning machines, husking machines, whitening machines, polishing machines, grading machines, sorting machines, and packaging machines.